Hello everyone, this is Danny from Speed2. We are a worldwide exporter and retailer of motorcycle parts since 2008. Speed2 supplies various parts for different kinds of motorcycles. Our product line includes all parts your vehicle needs. Let me show you some new products today. First of all, I want to show you Speed2 high-quality motorcycle gasket set. We use 100% eco-friendly materials which are certified by Interface USA. Speed2 supplies over 500 different sets of gaskets. They can be used on street bike, dirt bikes, scooter, ATV, and Gasket. You can contact us for more fitment information. Are you looking for motorcycle levers to change the broken OEM ones? Speed2 provides you with levers that surpass OEM quality and be designed specially. It's easy to install and 100% manufactured in Taiwan. We also supply aftermarket levers for options. Speed2 can provide a special laser engraving logo service, which can let you have your own unique motorcycle lever. Every rider should regularly change air and oil filters for your motorcycles because it could protect your engines and get fresh air. Speed2 designates top quality rubber, paper, metal, and foam as material. Our filters meet or exceed OEM quality. We provide a wide range of aftermarket filters, which can tolerate high temperatures to make sure for lower cost and longer service. Thank you for your watching. We are Speed2 from Taiwan. We have over 20,000 different types of products to meet your needs. Speed2 will roll out many kinds of power sport parts recently. If you need to find some special or customized products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.